morning, guys. Talking Mike 392, and I'm out here at the Santa Fe Cattle Company this morning. That time again, guys. Come on, walk with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. So let me show you what's out here this morning. I'm gonna walk around. I'm just gonna show you. Whet your appetite. I gotta get your appetite wet for all this what I'm gonna film out here. And there's more coming. You see one backing in over there, and there's more coming. And I'm looking for my buddy B. Houston. He should be here pretty soon. All right, let's go, guys. Get your walking shoes on. I got my walking shoes on, see? Got my white socks on. I'm ready to go. I'm ready. I ain't got to get ready because I stay ready, especially when it comes to my channel. Getting this good content for you guys, man. Let's go check this engine out. I'm kind of interested in this engine. I see something. It's got a turbo on it. I got to check out this turbo. Ooh, look at this turbo. I can see through it. Look at that. Nice. Look at this was made by the company. You got all kind of brands here. Look at it. There's another brand. All right. They got that Chevrolet. I'm gonna come do that later. I'll come back that way. I'm gonna stay on these roads. I'll do these side areas later. Check this thing out, man.
Daddy brings us all of our food, so that means Rick's the only one without food, right? So she brings him his food and says something about turkey sandwich where I go, no, not me. And we're going, Rick, that's yours.
What's
and
going on,
so we
man?
had to tell him, he goes, oh, maybe it
I
is.
just filming for my
You
channel.
know, but in that 5 minutes, he forgot what he ordered.
Yeah. So remember that time that we went to Grill on the Hill and he got someone else's order? Oh, I thought he was just
Rick?
Yeah. And I thought he just
Ooh,
did
that's
it
nice.
because
I
he was
like
just
that.
being a jerk.
I'm getting better at my angles.
Yeah.
I'm getting a lot better on my angles. Practice, baby. Been doing this 2 years now. See, if I ain't got better by then, I got a problem. Let me get this horse down here. Good morning. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm putting y'all on YouTube. You don't mind, do you? Make sure you guys ain't got no warrants with the police looking for you. Cause I got police. They on that's my subscribers. They be checking my video. Look at him running. We got a runner here.
We don't.
Huh?
We can't run very fast.
Oh, you probably did it when you was in your 20s or 30s and it's catching up with you. That's right.
Anything different about my car?
The wheel?
There you go. Yeah.
What's going on, brother? All right, doing fine, brother. Thank you. Whose Corvette is this?
I have no clue.
Man, I love all them colors, man. That's where you're supposed to drive a
I don't
car.
know what color you call it.
It don't matter. Just call it a beautiful car.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, there you go. Whose is this?
That used to be mine.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
And we sold it to a friend who's over there talking. Yeah.
You got tired of it?
Well,
Too many cars.
had too many.
Oh, you got too many.
This is mine.
Oh, this your Mustang.
And then he,
What year is your Mustang?
that's 67.
Let's go look at it a little bit more thoroughly. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Let's check it out. It's a 289.
Yeah.
You know they got a car show and a fair?
Today?
No, yeah. It's for the rest of the fair. When you get in the fair, I forgot what bill I got
Oh,
in my
they
house.
have one in there?
It's in one of those buildings. They got a car show in the fair. So when you go in the fair, look in one. I forgot what building it is, but it's in one of those buildings. They had it last year. I filmed it.
Well, do you ever go to National Street Rollins?
I don't know what that is.
It'll be the,
Oh, that's the one next month.
yes.
Out there at the fairgrounds. It's 3 days.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there. I was there last year.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Yes,
go
ma'am.
to that.
Oh, you gonna have which one you gonna bring? Both?
Well,
Oh, not
my
this one.
friend will bring that, but yeah,
You gonna bring
we'll
yours?
bring that, and then my husband has an 81 pickup he's restored.
I like the. Where'd you get these red rims? These tires with the red on?
He found it.
Really?
He does everything. I just drive it. This
Oh,
was
okay.
my first. This was not my first car,
Mhm.
but I had a 67. was my
67.
first car.
Really?
Or
Okay.
67 Mustang.
Lady said you asked too many questions.
I'm getting a donut. Did you get one?
I already had one.
Are they free?
Yes.
That mean I'll get one.
All you have to do is walk up there.
They probably be gone by the time I'm done filming. I
Oh
gotta
no, they have.
film all these cars. It takes time to film all these cars.
They have. What do you want me to get you? One?
No, I'll be alright.
I will.
I'm a diabetic anyway.
Well, I do, but I still haven't done that.
Every now and then you gotta have one. Huh?
Yeah.
Where's your car?
Mine's the Thunderbird.
Let's get this Thunderbird on here. I'm a YouTube. That's my YouTube channel.
Okay, you too, Uncle Mike.
390. That's right. You're gonna see your car on my channel. Oh, you went to University of Oklahoma?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Brad.
Wow. What did you major in?
Physical therapy.
Physical therapy. So I need to see you when I have my hip replaced?
Yeah.
Good. Where you
Well,
live?
I'm retired.
Oh, you retired. Okay.
I'm 71.
Oh, okay.
It was getting a little hard for me. To,
Really? I'm gonna get this. I like this. Checkered flags. I like that.
Well, it was just a race car. It was not a, yeah. But yeah, you got to have something in there or it.
Yeah, I took it out because the very last thing I did was I was going to take that out.
What year is your car?
55.
55. This thing is 2 years older than me. Wow. It still runs good?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Did you find me? Uncle
Well,
Mo?
I just put you in my.
Oh, you can find it later.
I'll find
I've been there 2 years. I ain't going nowhere.
you. Okay.
I like this Thunderbird, guys. That's why I keep sticking with it. Check that out. That's beautiful. Look at that. Let me get it straight now. Straighten it out now. There you go. Let's get it straightened. Look at this. Check this out. That's beauty. All right, let's keep going. I see this over here. Let's check this out. It's 55 Chevy. Good morning. How y'all doing?
How about you?
Fine, thank you. What you think about this 55 Chevy? Yes, sir. What's going on, brother?
Not much.
You got a beautiful car here, man. I like this.
Well, thank you, thank you.
I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel so everybody else can enjoy it.
You
Like
know, I love it more than I do my first wife.
oh, okay. I hope she don't watch this video.
No, she's gone.
Oh, she's gone. Okay, I got you. What's up, brother? All right. Let's go around and get this 55 Bel Air. B. Houston. What's up, brother? B. What's up, brother? Let me get you on here, man. I gotta get you on here, man. How you doing, man? Yeah. Gotcha. What's going on, man?
Chilling, man.
I'm down here like 10 minutes, brother.
I just got here.
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah, I used to run into my corner every now and then. I hadn't seen him in a long time.
There was this one car.
You guys trying to hide the car from me? Don't hide the car from me, man. Let the public see the car, please. Huh?
Jim Trent's still back there.
I haven't seen Jim.
Well, he came to our wife's.
Which was a I didn't know about.
B. That's my feet, man. I'll tell you, eBay. Ooh, look at this engine, man. Oh, that's nice. I like this. Oh my gosh. Check that. Got the wheel up here. That's nice. Okay, this is nice. I like this. Yes, sir. Check that out. Let's go around and see what we can see, brothers and sisters. Oh, this is how many speeds it got? 6 speed. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Got a fire extinguisher back here. All right. Let's keep it going. What we got on here? Was that 210 on the dash or 205 on the dash? I like that. I knew I got a dash after that 200, so it's just not 200. Check this out, man. This is beautiful, man. I like this. You put some money in this. All right, let's go to this other side, shall we? Let's see what they got on this side. This is where I'm located, guys, right here. This is where they have this. That's right. When I get to this truck, I'm gonna shut this down and start my number 2. I don't want to make them too long. Stop it right here, guys, and start at number 2. Okay, let me get back. All right, guys, talking Mike 390. I'll see you on the other side. Late.